you take hands for?
In amongst the players that are on the sideline and just the traffic there, you can't really see the football. So, A, how would you move it? And
That's so loud.
If you moved it, you already picked up the chains. You can't measure.
Are you recording?
The chains have already moved forward.
No.
Yes, you are. You jerk.
After review, full field stable, first down.
Well, excuse me for trying to help.
Was really the first thing I think you noticed about people you met. Absolutely, yeah.
Where are you going? And you don't go that way?
So early here in the second quarter,
Hi.
the answer for Virginia. This super drive, every place was going nuts when BYU got the game at 10.
I don't know why you like going to that side so much.